Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a makeup video. Woo! Okay, so the last time I posted a makeup video was 2 months ago. I know I have been kind of transitioning my content to more of like lifestyle and vlogs. I've just been really enjoying that, so I hope you guys are enjoying that as well. I do want to pop in some makeup looks here and there, so I really hope you guys will stay and continue watching my videos. I'd appreciate that so much. But yeah, today is going to be a laid back video. As usual, I've been wanting to make my video a little bit more laid back, not always so serious. I hope you guys like this type of style for my videos. Yeah, just have more fun doing it, you know, just more comfortably and more natural. But let's go on to what today's video is going to be about, and it's going to be about the new Pat McGrath palette. And I'm so excited because I feel like this is Pat McGrath's best palette yet. Like, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is this? I put my foundation on already. I got some bronzer on. I will be using her blush as well. I'll also be using her liquid lipstick in the color Divine Rose. I'm going to be creating a look. I'm so excited for this. So yeah, if you guys want to see me create a look with this palette, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. So I got this palette when it first launched, and I know it took me so long to finally film this video, but here I am. I love this like duochrome purple color, so I will be using that. Yeah, I kind of do want to incorporate some gold as well, so yeah, let's just see what I come up with. I am just going to wing it. I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I know I do want to use that purple color. So as usual, I want to go in with the crease color, and this color right here caught my eyes for the crease. Okay, maybe I should put my hair up. Cut my bangs again, so it's starting to get in my way. Do what I can. I swear, I feel like Pat McGrath does really well with pink colors. Like, her pink colors like never fail. The next eye. I love this kind of color. So pretty. I'm going in with that purple color that I've been dying to try. I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to apply that all over my eyes. I can have a million reasons, but there would be no reason for redemptions. Yeah, I can have some explanations, but how can I change the situation? So pretty. There goes the look. Let's see. I do want to add some color on the outer corner, so I'm going in with this dark matte brown color right here. Of course, we need a dark matte brown. Just going to darken it a little bit on the outer parts, not too much. I'm just tapping it lightly on the outer parts of my eyes. Alright, so this is the eye so far. Alright, so for the inner corner, I'm going to be using this gold shade right here. I'm using natural lighting, so the light might be a little bit bright, but it's like this yellow gold shade. I'll drag this color up a little bit higher up here actually. Same thing on this side. I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner and then drag it up. Alright. Lower lashes, I'm going in with that color, which I use for the crease. Going with the purple. I'm going to add that underneath. and this is the look. I like it. Moving on to the cheeks, and I'm using this beautiful blush shade in Divine Rose. And for highlighter, I've been really loving my Danessa Myricks Beauty highlighter palette here. I'm going in with this one down here called Easy Breezy. I'm going in with some light lashes because I don't really want to add any eyeliner. I don't want it to take away from this beautiful eye look. So I'm using these ones right here, which I've already used. They're like, ah. And these are the Allure numbers 117 lashes. Alright, so I'm back after struggling with my lashes. So I actually changed out my lashes and used these Kiss Lash in the style Blessed. They're still natural and very comfortable on, so I love it. But let's go on with the lips and then we're gonna be done with this look. I've already used this lipstick before, but I want to use it again. This is the Pat McGrath Lab, of course, matte liquid lipstick. I know a lot of people strayed away from liquid lipstick, but I still love my liquid lipsticks. I actually want to add in some color from the palette onto my lips. That purple color, I want to add some onto the lips. Oh my god. Yes, gorgeous. And for the face mist, I'm using Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. Give me some glass skin. All right. Ooh, look at these bangs. Alright, I wonder if I should keep my hair up. Should I let it down? Okay. So I decided just to keep my hair up because I feel like I haven't had my hair up in a while. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my hair up, and I hope you guys like this video. I love this look. Ooh. I feel like I haven't done a bold look in a while. I've just been really going for the more natural glam. So this look is just everything to me. I love Pat McGrath so much. I love her palettes. Like, this is one of her best palettes. I can't wait to continue using this palette. And yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate it so much. Please let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and I would definitely do them for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until then, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.